Welcome back to another episode of Hey, we're here caught in traffic, but we're going out on an adventure, so our plans got completely ruined for the weekend, but that's okay. Tomorrow's my birthday, so we're going somewhere. We're going to Villa Escudero Camp Spotted Wood. So we're gonna test out our new camper kitchen, and we're gonna test out our water system if they have a way to help fill us up with water.
All right, so we have special guests today. You've met Cutie, our van life dog, and her puppies. We have 7 newborn puppies. They're like what, 4 days old? So yeah, we didn't want to leave them home, so they come along on adventure. So we'll see you there. Okay, bye. Super Tarsier. That's our water system. That's a inlet pipe for our sink. Okay, we're now at Chim's online store here in Barangay Puypuy, Bay Laguna, and we just bought a wagon for Cutie and her pups. So if you are looking for stuff that are cheap but very practical, this is the place to do it. So they have a lot of stuff that you might find helpful.
All right, so this is it. We pulled up. We're getting the water over here, the hose.
There.
Here we are. We're just gonna fill these up. Probably just the first 2 tanks, about halfway each. So we'll have a full container full. There are restrictions here that we'll tell you about. Maybe you want to tell them, Bing?
We are not allowed to set up the shower out back here, but we were allowed to use the hose to fill up. I said that we wanted to test the system, but not to actually take a shower out of the back here.
Or wash dishes.
Or wash dishes, but
because we have a gray water tank, we can do it.
Yeah.
Collecting the dirty water.
Yeah, the concern is they don't like a muddy campsite. You know, it gets...
It's a valid concern.
Yeah, and we don't want to
Especially
muddy.
for the next campers, right?
Yes, and we don't want the back of our van muddy either, because that's where we cook for now. So, playing by the rules.
Fees are 500 per adult, 300 per child of 3 to 6 years, and 200 per car. To enjoy access to Villa Escudero Resort, add 700 pesos for the swimming pool, rafting, museum, cultural show, and waterfall restaurant.
Pets are allowed in the campsite but not the resort.
Fires are allowed only in designated fire pits. Firewood for bonfire is 100 pesos. Villa Escudero was the location where the environmental GMA teleserye Lolo was shot, including the iconic waterfall and the river. Let the sounds of nature revitalize your mind and spirit.
Swimming is not allowed in the river, but you can go fishing if you bring your own fishing gear.
Walking trails meander around the campsite for a leisurely hike.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right, a new day has dawned here at Camp Spotted Woods. Of course, sleeping with this one and her puppies, as I expected. Almost nine. Good thing Miriam got to sleep very early because she was able to sleep before she woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning.
I thought you were doggies, not cats. Why are you meowing?
Got Bing here,
Hi.
working on the bacon.
Yeah.
Birthday breakfast, bacon and eggs.
Yeah.
My birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Are you up yet, Miriam? You don't know yet, huh?
Well, because she was still in bed, we couldn't put the Murphy bed up, so we couldn't.
That's right.
We could. The host, our LPG host, couldn't reach, so we had to make do with this little table and box here just to make the host reach.
All right, so one of the positives about this place, it's really spacious. As you can see, this is a whole nother section. You have the cleaning area there where you wash dishes and laundry like we're doing right now. And then there's separate bathrooms for men and women.
And this is the common sink area. You can wash your face, wash your hands. The other side are the actual shower areas. So very clean. I love how they meticulously clean their facilities. Yeah, there are sockets here and on the other side of the sink area.
So yeah, this is just another secluded area where yesterday there were a bunch of guys in their trucks and they all had off-road motorcycles and they went up the trails in the mountains. But that's one of the definite pros of this place is there's lots of space. You're not on top of your neighbors. We don't even have any neighbors today. We have this whole place to ourselves. So the trail basically just comes around from like our campsite, goes all the way up around, it loops around. But see, each spot has their own picnic tables. Everything's fairly close to the washing station. Then you have the bonfire pits over there. And see, these nice little camp spots, these little nooks. This is just a wonderful place to get out in nature, walk around, get some exercise, breathe in the fresh air. There's very good smells of the forest, Very beautiful.
It's time to cook lunch.
Our sink is running water.
No pump, no electricity, just plain old gravity.
Time for lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have here, Bing.
Stir-fried vegetables and ulam burger and rice.
Yeah.
And we have freshly squeezed natural calamansi juice.
Halo pizza, in-house pizza made here with the dough and everything made here. And river.
Here at the riverside.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Sending love from the Philippines.